Hello, my name is Angelica Martinez. I am 44 years old and I'm Colombian from Bogota. My family is made up my son, who is 21 years old, and my mother, who is 69 years old. The three of us live in an apartment near to Portal 80 in Bogota. I am a business administration manager student and I only need levels 10 English to graduate. And my degree option is the specialization in project management. I really like to travel with my family and my friends. I love to dance, especially salsa, go to the movies, cook, listen to music, and study. I don't like norteña music, and the onion, I don't like the negative people. Last year on my vacation, I traveled to Cali and go to the Ladrilleros beaches in Buenaventura with my best friend. We were at a friend's house. And I also traveled with my family to the Compensar Resort in Nilo, Tolima. On this trip, we were my son, my mom, an aunt, and a cousin, and we were very happy. This year, we'll go to La Guajira on my vacation in November. I want to know this place because I don't know this place. Thank you.